Hello beautiful people, it's Robyn Thomas here with Resemble Me by Robyn. Welcome back to my channel. Alright, so as you can tell by the title of the video, I'm going to be installing some Bohemian box braids on my client today. So first and foremost, this is what I want to say. I want everybody that was talking about me on my other video of my Bohemian box braids, I want y'all to watch this video. Yes, I know how to do them the correct way. As I mentioned in the description box of the other video, I was doing that video because there are people who are unable to feed them in the easy way. So they were looking for an alternative. So that is what that video was providing, an alternative. So I'm so glad I was able to have some time to record me installing them the easiest and quickest way possible, because y'all was getting on your girl, okay? Y'all was like, that's just too much, that's too long, that's da da da. Look, everybody is not able to just put it in like this. Some people have their box braids in already and want to spice them up and say, well, dang, I want to take 10 braids down to add Bohemian to it. How can I do that? Well, crochet it in. So if you want a tutorial on how to add the Bohemian look after your box braids have been entered, I will most definitely leave that in the description box for you all to click on so that you can watch the video. But this video is installing it the quickest and the easiest way possible. So in this video, I'm installing it multiple times so that you all can see many times, you know, how it's installed is very easy. Just take your time. Crochet hair can get very tangly. I'm really sorry that I don't know what type of crochet hair she used. The bag didn't have any type of title, or not title, but any type of name on it. So, and then we didn't even really talk about, you know, where she got the hair from. So, I mean, it could have been like some extra hair that she had left over. So who knows? But any hair that you want will pretty much work. So yeah, I'm just gonna let you all watch and see how I install the Bohemian box braids. I hope that you all enjoy it. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoy it. Comment on it telling me your experience with Bohemian. Let me know if you watched the other video as well, you know, what you think about the two different methods, like in the comment section. Share this with somebody who may be interested in it, that wants to put some braids in their head. And always subscribe if you are not a subscriber of this channel. I try to upload videos every week so that you all are constantly receiving content of protective styles. For my returning subscribers, thank you all for staying with me and watching continuously. I really appreciate you all. So yeah, I'm gonna let y'all watch the video and I'll see y'all next week. Peace and blessings.
So music, so music, so music, so music,